Oh, boy. Working on the Harley today. Started taking all this shit out. Got 2 crossovers taken out, 2 tweeters, an antenna. All this is about to come out. SOUNDSTREAM HDHU.9813 going in. It's got a flip up now, but see, with the flip up you can't see any of your gauges, so we're gonna fix that. Getting rid of the amp back here. Had 2 6x9s there. Got rid of all those. These were in the fairing. Replaced them with these mats. I've got some DS18 Pros on the way. Putting these super tweeters right here. I'm gonna run the super tweeters off the radio. And I've got ooh-wee. That was a lot of stuff. Adapters and plugs and this and that and all this still got to get taken out. They cut my factory plug and tapped it in there, so I've got to tap that back in because the SOUNDSTREAM's plug and play. But got her out the box, about to go in. Hardest part, oh damn, got blurry. Hardest part so far has been getting the ignition out. I'll leave that for another video. But turn the key to the 4 o'clock, push the little button, and then turn the key to the left about a quarter turn, and then the ignition will come out. But you had to get the ignition out to get this bad boy to go in, but she's going in. Got her stuck in. Push back all the way. Wiggled it the best I could. Seen one gentleman in a video, see these fins right here? He stuck his screwdriver in and pried back while he tightened it up. I don't know, they line up pretty good. Boom, boom. No, this isn't the best video, sorry. I can't see over here. They're not lining up, or I can't see if they are. Need a light. But so far, so good. Hopefully this amp I got fits on top. We're gonna see. I don't know why I left it in the bag, but that's the new radio. Amp fits right on top of it. And, oh, never mind. It has holes on the amp or on the radio. That fits perfect. Have to just get it secured on there. The radio has holes there and there, so I can mount it to it. It's in. Gotta wire it up, but yes, sir. I had to put the ignition back on it and turn it on just because I'm curious. Then here's the moment of truth. Oh, boy. I want to save that. Baby, let's see here. English, America. Huh? Wire steering wheel controls not working. What the fuck? Man. It's not a good start. I made Bree wait. We were about to walk out for dinner and I could not let, that shit was pissing me off so fucking bad. Check it. Volume down, volume up. You push it in, it mutes it. Push that one in. Oh, that changes the song. You push it in, it goes to camera. Push it in again.
Camera?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a camera on it. It goes to radio, push it in again. Boom. Changes the song. Then if you push it in, it mutes it. Look at all this fucking shit. Where's the light? Bree did it.
No, I didn't.
Look at all this. They tapped in all this shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I told Bree, I said, I don't know if it's right or not, but I'm fucking cutting shit. I just started cutting shit out. What the fuck? I just gotta fix that one. But I'm gonna get a camera tapped into here, so while I'm riding, I'm gonna have a camera facing backwards. While I'm riding, I can just hit the button and the camera will pop up. Let's go eat. Aye. Give y'all an update of what we're working on here. This is some of the junk that was in the fairing. Oh. Old Kenwood flip up. Just made this box for it to fit. 2 crossovers. All this interface. They were treating it like it was the steering wheel controls, the handlebar controls, because it was for a car. All these wires, it was a nightmare. I don't know how they figured out how to do all this, but every one of these wires was jumped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think there was 8 of them. Just jumped together. But I cut them all out, got it working. Gotta get all this cleaned up. Reheat shrink. And put the loom back on it. But got new DS18 speakers on the way for here. Still gotta get the super tweeter there. Put in right here. Radio's in, looking good. Got the steering wheel controls working now. Got a backup camera on the way I'm gonna mount back here. I don't know where yet. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm gonna mount it back here. I don't know where I'm gonna mount it at exactly, but I think it'd be cool while I'm riding down the road to hit a button over there, get the rear view. Amps, the new amp's gonna go in the fairing. This amp's gonna get going. Got rid of the 2 6x9s. There was these 2 6x9s. There's 4, 2 in each bag. The main reason I did that was so I could have the new style locks, because the bags fell off twice on the way to Panama City last bike week. Old school Bluetooth adapter, I don't need that no more. Old school iPod with a bunch of old tunes on it. All this wire is getting cleaned up, but it's just an update. The amp is tiny. It ain't bolted down yet, but cleaned up a little bit. I saw this in another video. I'm not prying much on the fins, but once you get the 2 bolts started on each side, just pry just a little bit. I just pushed it in there where it was snug. You pry just a little bit, and that gets it flush. Sorry, I got 1326 week going, but that's the key to the streets. Ooh. Well, the fear I had of doing my gauges, you can throw that fear away, because I've got to take the gauge out to get that bottom speaker in. Oh, my baby's getting torn apart. But I know she's in good hands. I got the radio bolted down. chipping away. These bitches are too, they're like screaming loud. Ay. A lot of work. Got the radio in, bolted down, new speakers in, wires ran. I just got that tapped in there so I could hear it. Wires ran. I'm gonna get the amp mounted here tomorrow. Got to get some felt tape, wire loom tape, clean all this up rather than this shit looking like a damn irrigation pipe. This is just some of the wire and zip ties that came out of the nightmare, trying to clean it all up. Getting the amp ready to go in. I got to clean all these up from where they had all the jumper wires in there. Backup camera on the Harley? What? Am I the first to ever do it? I'm just kidding. I've seen somebody online do it. Ow. The little shit, boy. Look at them put this coating on here, heat shrink that. Put coating on both sides, heat shrinked it. That coating on there, heat shrinked it. That coating, heat shrinked it. All the speaker wire, heat shrinked it. Put that coating stuff over the RCA jacks. I'm still waiting on my motherfucking harness tape, but get all this shit in the harness tape. Coming together. That shit on there. Gotta do this side. That's what it was before. This is what it is after. Thanks for watching. These are just a few pictures I threw in here. This is what the fan looked like when I was done. That was the radio in there. Threw a couple pictures off Amazon. A few of the things I bought. Power wire, amp, speakers, OFC speaker wire, DS18 speakers. Just a few of the things. If you could, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks again for watching.
Oh my god. What's this?
Like, comment, subscribe, damn it.